the chick this bad. I ain't worried about the mother girls that you had.
You need this in your life. So I went ahead and applied my foundation, and I don't have anything on my brows. If you guys would like to see how I groom my brows, then let me know and I will make a video. But for the products that I'm using today, I am using the NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso. And you guys, it is waterproof. They will last all day. I promise you. I've used this so many times. And I'm going to use a eyebrow pencil, brush with that to apply it. I am also going to go in with a highlighter of my choice. I'm going in with the crayoncase in the number 30. I always like to go a shade or two lighter than my skin tone just for a highlight. But if you want it to look natural, you can always go in with your foundation or a concealer that is your skin tone. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. And I'm just gonna dab some on my hand. I'm running out, y'all. But I had it for over a year. I know that for sure. And I'm gonna use a brush. And just a little bit, and I'm just rubbing it so that I can get a lot of the product off. I don't want to use too much. So then I'm going to go in and I'm going to underline my brow. So that's all I'm gonna do. And then you can take your hand, but I'm gonna take my blender and just blend it. See, it's not too much. This side compared to this side, you can see the highlight. So I'm going to go in and take my pencil. I always like to have one with a spoolie on the end. So take the gel and put it onto something. You only need a little bit. When I tell you a little bit, I mean, I don't even need this much. So I'm gonna go and make sure my eyebrows are okay. I'm gonna take my brush, dab it in a little bit, and do the same thing like I did with the concealer. And that smear it and make sure it's rubbed in. And then I just go in and line it. And with this, you need to make sure that you're working a little fast because it can dry. But if it does dry, just go back in and get some more. And I don't like to have my eyebrows bold. I like a natural brow. Now I like a natural brow, so I do very little product and very light strokes. But if you want a bold brow, that's on you. You do what you want. To each is its own. So I'm gonna go back in, smear it again, like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the top. And I don't like to go too close to the front, because I'm just gonna eventually blend all that in, and then I just take whatever is left on my brush and fill in. And I'm not going too close to the front just yet, because you don't want that boxy brow. No, we don't want that. So this is how it looks. And then now, to make it look like something, when we put that product at the bottom right there, I'm going to go ahead and spoolie up so that it can brush up to the top. And then I'm just going to brush through and lay it down. Like that. So again, this is the brow completed. And now we're going to do this brow. So again, I'm taking the same amount of product that I have. I'm not adding any yet because I can still work with this one. And I'm going to go ahead and line it. And this is my difficult brow, so I always have to do more to it, but we'll see. Oh, y'all, I forgot to add my concealer. Okay, so I forgot to add my concealer. Sheesh. So what I'm doing is I'm going back in. I still have the concealer on my hand. Sorry, y'all, that's Parker. And I'm just going to go in. So you can do this either way. You don't have to take the whole brow off and do it again. No, I'm not about to do that. It'll be okay. And it's okay if you get it on there. You can just go back in. I'm gonna take my blender. Blend it out. I'm going to go back in and define that line. I told y'all this is my difficult brow. Like, something always happens with this brow. It's either always too dark or just something. I'm taking my spoolie and I'm going upwards. Getting the product in. You can go this way, that way, either way. I'm just bringing the product through my brows. You can go in and clean up the top if you want to, but I don't really think that I need to. I think that it's okay. If your brows are not groomed, I would say go in and use either the concealer that matches your skin tone or your foundation to clean it up. So it's up to you. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go finish up my face. And also, if you want to give your brows a little pop, you can go in right under your brow and you can add some highlighter like that. I am using the crayoncase honor roll highlighter. It's one of my favorites. A little goes a long way. Look at that. Beautiful. And this is how much I have on there. So a little goes a long way. Then you just put it where you want. Put it on your cheekbones. And this is great to use if you don't have any makeup on either. Just make sure you're using a very little bit because it goes a long way. You see that? Before I finish up this look, I want to show y'all how waterproof this eyebrow gel really is. I'm trying to wipe it off and it's not coming off. So you will need makeup remover and soap and to wipe it off because it is what it say it is. It is waterproof. Right now I'm using witch hazel and I'm scrubbing. So sis, if you want some long lasting popping eyebrows, then this is the product for you. This is the product for you. So this is the final look. As always, make sure you guys are checking the description box for the links to the products that I use in today's video. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you again.